If you are getting the cannot set to HD error or seeing the media is not HD resolution error while trying to send high quality photos or videos on WhatsApp for Android, here is how to fix it. First, understand that WhatsApp only allows HD quality upload if your media file meets certain resolution requirements. For example, for photos, it typically needs to be at least 1600 pixels on the longer side, and for videos, a minimum resolution like 720p or higher is usually required. To fix it, open your phone's gallery or file manager and check the resolution of the video or image. If it's a low resolution file, for example, a screenshot or a cropped image, you will not be able to enable HD, but you can watch this video if you're getting this issue. I explained how you can solve this. Okay, next, update WhatsApp from the Google Play Store to ensure you are on the latest version, which supports HD uploads more reliably. If you are editing photos or videos before sending, make sure your editor or app is not reducing the resolution. Choose export settings like original or high quality when saving your media. Still not working? Try resizing or re-exporting your media using free apps like Snapseed or InShot. Just keep the resolution high enough, and that's it. Now you know why the HD option might not appear and how to solve it. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and fixes.